Are you looking for the best SDS drills 2024? When you search for the best SDS drill, everything looks the exact same. Same claims, same photos, same high-impact energy labels. But to understand which one actually performs under real concrete and masonry work, you have to dig a little deeper. Today, we're breaking down the real differences. Product number 1, DeWalt DWECH273B, the Pro Cordless Powerhouse. This DeWalt 20-volt max SDS rotary hammer is built for serious contractors who need cordless freedom without sacrificing power. At $344, it's definitely on the higher end, but what caught my attention is its 2.1 joules of impact energy and brushless motor, meaning longer runtime and less heat buildup. It runs on DeWalt's 20-volt battery platform, so if you already own their tools, this integrates seamlessly. The shock's active vibration control really makes a difference during long drilling sessions, and the rotating dial lets you switch between drill, hammer drill, and chisel modes in seconds. It's also OSHA Table 1 compliant when used with their dust extractor, which matters if you're working on regulated job sites. Now, some people complain about the price, especially since it's sold as a bare tool, no battery or charger included. Here's the thing though, if you're already in the DeWalt ecosystem, this is a no-brainer, but if you're starting fresh, that extra cost adds up. This is perfect for you if you're a contractor or serious DIY. Product number 2, Deschwo 9-amp Budget Beast with real power. Now, if the DeWalt's price tag made you wince, this Deschwo 9-amp corded rotary hammer at just $54.79 might be exactly what you're looking for. Don't let the low price fool you. This thing delivers 2.21 foot-pounds of impact energy and 5,300 blows per minute, which is seriously impressive for under $60. It's lightweight at 7.19 pounds, making it great for overhead work, and includes 3 drill bits, 2 chisels, and a carrying case, something most brands don't offer at this price. The 4-mode selector gives you rotation only, hammer drill, hammer only, and vario lock for precise chiseling angles. The safety clutch is a nice touch too. It disengages if the bit binds, protecting both you and the tool. Now, some users mention the build feels a bit plasticky, and the vibration control isn't as refined as premium models. Here's the thing though, for the price, it's hard to beat. You're getting professional level performance without the pro level cost. This is perfect for you if you're a weekend. Product number 3, DeWalt DCH133B, compact cordless workhorse. Alright, that Deschwo is great for the price, but if you want cordless convenience without going full premium, this DeWalt DCH133B at $149 is a smart middle ground. It packs 2.6 joules of impact energy, more than the DCH273B, and spins up to 1500 RPM, making it surprisingly fast for a compact hammer. The brushless motor and German-engineered mechanism mean it's built to last, and the rotating dial gives you drill, hammer drill, and chisel modes. It includes a 360-degree side handle and depth rod, which helps with control and precision. Now, some people wish it came with a battery, since it's sold bare tool. Here's the thing though, if you already have 20-volt DeWalt batteries, this is a steal. But if you're buying everything new, you'll need to factor that in. This is perfect for you if you want reliable. Product number 4, DeWalt D25263K, corded power with vibration control. Now, if you're working on big jobs and don't want to worry about battery life, this DeWalt corded model at $187.93 brings serious power. With 3.0 joules of impact energy and an 8.5 amp motor, it's one of the most powerful drills on this list. The shock's active vibration control really stands out. After an hour of drilling into concrete, your hands won't feel like they've been through a jackhammer. It also has reverse rotation and an integral clutch to prevent kickback if the bit jams. Plus, it's compatible with DeWalt's dust extraction system, which keeps your workspace cleaner and safer. Now, some users say it's a bit heavy at over 10 pounds, which can tire you out during overhead work. Here's the thing though, that weight comes from durability and power. This is built for daily commercial use. This is perfect. Product number 5, Bosch 1125 VSR Bulldog Extreme, the reliable all-rounder. Finally, the Bosch 1125 VSR at $161.10 is a favorite among pros for a reason. It's not the most powerful, but it's incredibly balanced. With 2.0 foot-pounds of impact energy and 5,800 BPM, it handles concrete, brick, and masonry with ease. The D-handle design gives excellent control, especially for downward or overhead drilling, and the Vario lock lets you adjust the chisel to 36 different positions, super handy for detailed work. Bosch's vibration control is top tier, and the SDS Plus system allows tool-free bit changes in seconds. Now, some people wish it had a more powerful motor for heavy chiseling. Here's the thing though, for most drilling and light chiseling tasks, it's more than enough, and it's built to last years. So which SDS drill is right for you? If you're a pro who needs cordless power, go with the DeWalt DCH273B. On a budget, the Deschvo delivers insane value. Want compact cordless performance? The DCH133B is solid. Need max power and don't mind cords? The D25263K is a beast. And for everyday reliability, the Bosch Bulldog is hard to beat. Pick the one that matches your work style and get drilling.